Day in the life as an architecture student at Cardiff University. I tend to start my day with a bit of music. I know it's got nothing to do with architecture, but personally, I think everyone should. Yes, I am wearing shorts in Cardiff. We weren't that deep into winter yet, so it was okay. We've got the coaches waiting to take us outside of Beat Building, which is where we do the majority of our work. So this place that we visited basically had houses from different times, from like the 1850s onwards, and we were analysing them and using them to inspire our project. So you do have the freedom to approach this however you want. You can sketch whatever you want, walk wherever you want, talk to whoever you want. You can leave whenever you want. The coaches are still waiting for us, so you do have transport back. And now we've headed back to the studio to integrate everything we've learned today into our project with a beautiful view. Thanks for watching.